So, another ritual can either be turning your laptop off. Most of the time, minsan kapag tapos na trabaho, iniiwan lang natin yan. Kaya, sige, para ready na agad-agad bukas. Pero, ang ending, dahil hindi mo siya pinatay, babalik-balikan mo siya kasi you're checking in. Ay, nako, nag-reply ba si ganito? Nag-reply ba si client? O may nakalimutan ako sa checklist. Pwede ko naman siyang tapusin ngayon, 'di ba? Instead of thinking about it tomorrow. Second, changing your clothes. Actually, this is really something na parang I find really helpful. Bakit? Sometimes when you're, set up to go to work, kahit nandito lang ako sa bahay, nagbibihis ako. Para mukha naman akong presentable, especially I'm client-facing, di ba? Pero when it comes to, turning off my laptop, making sure that I'm off shift, I change into comfortable clothes. It's a luxury, actually. Kasi sometimes you won't have the chance to do it as well. Di ba? Parang wearing your pajamas, comfortable clothes, higa ka lang sa kama, magbubukas ng meditation music, tapos magsisindi ng kandila para mabango yung kwarto. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Pero yung anak ko, maya-maya, ma. Pero at least, diba, at the end of the day, you will have the time to really spend with them. And lastly, very important, literally saying, tapos na ang trabaho. Minsan nag-aaway pa kami ng husband ko for this. Kasi alam mo yung tipong kakain na lang kami ng dinner, tapos magme-message pa si client o may sasagutin pa ako, hindi ako makakasabay agad-agad. So you really have to set up boundaries, especially mentally, na tapos na ang trabaho and this is what I need to focus on now.